over 1,300 horsepower, tried and true tested. This thing is certified, TRC approved, badass, ready to go for one of you guys.
Hey guys, Mark Conti with Real Street Performance here to give you a rundown on the new TRC Giveaway 2JZ. When Javier approached us to build this new 2JZ, he basically wanted to recreate the engine that was in the old TRC Supra, except that he wanted to do it in a 3.4 liter because it was the only modification that he really dreamed of having in that car that he never actually came through and did before he sold it off. This is what Real Street deals with every day. We get a customer coming in, they have an idea for a build, they have a couple things that they know that they want, and then they've got a lot of things that they don't know what they want. And so we can lead them into a package that's going to give them the results they're after. Here, the guiding principles of this build were basically that it was going to be a Mazworks cylinder head. We're going to use as much Brian Crower product as we could, and we're going to use as much Manley product as we could. So what we did is we took the Brian Crower 94 millimeter stroker kit, we added, or crankshaft, we added Manley rods, Turbo Tough, with the custom-made 625 bolt. There's now a shelf stroker piston available, and it's a very robust part that we had a hand in developing over the last decade. It's good for 1,500 plus horsepower in its shelf form, comes with a very robust pin. It can run a low boost pump gas setup, although we would recommend a ethanol package or race gasoline for it. He asked for anywhere between 1,000 and 1,400 horsepower for this build, so we selected a 7685 turbo, which is the new generation of the turbo that used to be on the TRC Supra. It responds exceptionally well with the stroker, excellent exhaust flow for this power level, so the engine is very happy. We don't have a ton of heat and exhaust pressure in the exhaust system. We have a Powerhouse S1 cast manifold, so it's a very nice and robust stable package, shouldn't have any manifold cracking. It's a nice tight packaging up to the engine. The boost control seems to work very, very well in our preliminary testing, and we're really excited about this engine for whoever gets it, because it should be a very raceable package for a long time. This is essentially the old RS 1600 package reimagined. So now that it has a dart block, you've got a package that wasn't really at its limits at 14 to 1600. You've got a package that can handle 2000 plus. So this is a very, very robust package. It's got increased gasket retention over a old Toyota block, even at the 13 to 1400 horsepower level, just because of the rigidity of the block. The deck surface is so much stronger. There's much less shuffling between the bores at the high RPM and high cylinder pressures at peak torque. This engine, we set it at just over 900 foot-pounds of torque. Keeps climbing all the way to redline. It's very, very happy, and I think it's going to be a fantastic engine for really anybody that wants to, whether it's drifting, road racing. It could take most modern cars probably into the sevens if it's light enough. It's just a great package, and we really are excited for the flexibility that this offers to so many different customers. One of the areas where Javier wanted to make sure that there was plenty of headroom for the customer, even if they wanted to change the turbo, turn it up, build off of here, considering that the block could go much higher than this, is that he wanted to leave plenty of fuel. So he selected two sets of Ditchworks 1500cc injectors for this, a dual fuel rail, rather than trying to go with a larger injector that could theoretically have a little bit worse of an idle quality, especially if the customer wanted to use gasoline. This allows much more flexibility there. He also coupled that with the Bosch drive-by-wire throttle body. Plasma Man got that all set up for us, and it's a very, very beautiful piece. For the cylinder head, Real Street supplied a brand new OEM cylinder head from Toyota to Mazworks, where they performed their CNC race port, added the BC Stage 3 Plus 276 camshafts, the BC dual spring and retainer kit, as well as the Kelford DLC coated buckets. Also on this engine, we utilized the new 0.1 S220 fastener. The exciting thing about this is that previously the fasteners available in the market were either a 190 KSI fastener, 190,000 PSI, or the 260, 270,000 exotic materials like L19 or custom made 625. Now this S220 material offers a middle of the road option for those people that are somewhere between 1,000 and 1,500 horsepower without going to that far more expensive fastener. So this is a really exciting new product for the segment. Some customers have asked about what this engine is coming with, and it is actually coming with basically everything you see here. It's going to have the Real Street billet tensioner bracket already installed with its bolt. It's going to have the ATI damper on there. It's going to have brand new OEM timing covers and basically everything that you see here. So we recommend the billet tensioner for anyone who's building an engine. Basically the factory cast tensioner simply wasn't designed to deal with what we do to it. So it is a very relatively inexpensive upgrade. We've sold over 1,000 of these over the last 8 or 9 years, and it is a very worthwhile small investment that will protect your engine. So this engine uses a wet sump to again aid in as much flexibility for the potential buyer or potential winner as possible. This does not require a dry sump tank or any extra pulley or anything like that. For anyone looking at something like this and saying this is what I need, or even if it is a D16 or a VR38, this is what we do. We have a large team of build advisors who all understand the technical components of products. They understand how camshafts affect engines' behavior. They understand the differences between gasoline requirements and ethanol requirements. This is what we do. If you need help building your engine or figuring out a plan for your race car, contact us. We can help you, whether it's you're buying everything now or it's a 3-year build. We're here to help. Any questions that you have, feel free to reach out. I'd like to thank Javier and the TRC team for coming to Real Street for all of their powertrain needs over the last 10 years. We really appreciate this relationship, and one of the best things about this industry and community are all the people that we get to work with and all the dreams that we get to make come true. And we're really excited to be able to work with TRC to help transfer this dream to somebody else. I can't wait to see who wins this engine and what they put it in. Obviously, if you have any questions or you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to Real Street. We'd be happy to help you with any of your powertrain needs, find out what transmission you're putting behind it, or help you pick what transmission to put it behind. This should be a really awesome package for somebody.